So I am finally back with another hair video, and today's video I wanted to do a wig revamp or wig transformation on this wig that I got from Evawigs.com. If you guys do not remember, I posted a video a few weeks ago about this wig, and I just felt like the wig was in desperate need of a transformation because when I first got the wig I really didn't like the look of it. So yeah, so this is a new video on this wig, and this wig is their Brazilian straight 99J wig. This is a full lace wig. The color is a 99J, which is like a burgundy color with black dark roots. So if you guys are interested to see exactly how I transform this wig from the long straight look to this long bob cut, then definitely keep watching this video. So before I get into cutting, I wanted to show you guys exactly how the wig looks. As you can see, I just felt like the wig was entirely too thin. This is supposed to be all 16-inch length, but I noticed that within the wig you can kind of see that there were shorter pieces of hair. This is not all one length of 16-inch, and the ends were very thin. You could kind of see through the ends, so I just felt like I just needed to definitely cut it. So the way I cut is I kind of spritz the hair with water just to kind of tame the flyaways and everything, and then just make sure that the hair all meshed together. So I will be going in with a pair of scissors and my rat tail comb, and I just wanted a one length long bob, and it kind of hits like the top of my shoulders. The color I love, but I just felt like it definitely needed a cut. So I'm going in and I'm just starting to cut, and I kind of did the cut on an angle. So as you guys can see, I kind of pushed the mannequin head a little bit forward because when I lean my head forward, I want the bob to kind of like, you know, be at an angle, so kind of go downwards. So I'm just cutting from one side and I'm cutting towards the back, and then I'm making sure that the other side is cut at the same length. Now, cutting a one length bob is super easy. All you need to do is make sure that the bob is all one length, making sure that you keep your comb at a certain angle, and just make sure that you just don't cut too much of the hair. You want to start off with going past the length that you want and then kind of work your way up to the length that you do want, because if you cut too short, then the cut is completely ruined. So that's what I made sure that I did. I kind of cut longer than what I actually wanted the wig, and then I went up and cut some. So after I cut the hair to all one length, I went in and did some point cutting. You want to definitely do point cutting if you're not looking for a blunt cut bob, and that's exactly what I was not looking for. So that is the reason why you see me going in and doing some point cutting at the ends of the hair. So after I did that, the next thing that I'm going to go ahead and do is flat iron the hair. I am using my Babyliss Pro, I believe it's like the Babyliss Pro porcelain ceramic flat iron, and I'm just going in and doing the chase method with my rat tail comb just to make sure that the hair gets as straight as it can be. I didn't have any issues with flat ironing the hair. After I flat iron the hair, what I'm going to do now is kind of lay my the hair where the part is. I just wanted to make sure that I remove as much bulkiness or bumpiness from the part as possible. So I am going in with my Keurig hair wax stick, I think that's what it's called, and I'm going to go in with my curling wand just to lay down the part even flatter. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look of my wig after I went in and cut it. I love the way that it looks now. It looks so much better. It doesn't look thin like it was before. I am super in love with this cut as well as this wig. I didn't really have any issues with the wig. I would have to say that the way that they did the I guess you can say ventilating for the full lace wig, I think it would be impossible for me to bleach the knots, because I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks when you part it. It's not like that regular lace material that you usually see with lace frontals or lace wigs. So, of course, the last thing I'm going to do is go ahead and install the wig. And I'm just basically putting my real hair into a low ponytail. And then I will be applying a wig cap or stocking cap that matches closely to my skin tone. And then I will just go ahead and put on the wig. I didn't apply a lot of the Got2b gel because I felt like, because I wasn't wearing the hair back, I really didn't need to, and like the hair was kind of covering the hairline. So I just only put the Got2b gel towards where the part is, and it just kind of like laid down, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will give you guys all the information on this Eva Wigs in the description section, as well as the direct link to this wig. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, definitely subscribe, as well as follow me on Instagram at @IAM_Shay Amour. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here, and I will see you guys in my next video.